Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to tell you about a London fireworks display is going green this year. With no sparklers and no actual bonfire on bonfire night. Remember the 5th of November? Growing up, it's a night you look forward to as the year moves into the winter. Going out with your family, huddling under the bright, colorful skies as fireworks rocket above you. However, as an adult, there's other things to consider. The noise from the fireworks causes intense distress for pets across the country, and it's not particularly environmentally friendly. After many Guy Fawkes nights were canned last year due to the COVID-19 pandemic, Dulwich Sports Club in South London is going ahead with its bonfire night event this year. But it's believed to be Britain's first green celebration. Instead of gathering around a roaring bonfire, usually built from all sorts of wood and abandoned furniture, this year the event is going green with an eco-friendly virtual bonfire on the big screen. The advert reads, also warning, strictly no sparklers, these will not be allowed on the site. For reference, up to 7,000 people are expected to show up at the event on Saturday, November 6, albeit with a new improved layout. And again, they will have to sit and stand around a large screen of a fire. If you are going to check it out, I would maybe put out on an extra layer or two, or just try to convince yourself it's a real fire. It's opened itself up to some mockery already, but the club's secretary, Susie Giles, defended the decision by a separate organizing committee, saying it was made for good reasons. People are aware it will be an eco-friendly bonfire this year, so it doesn't seem to have put them off, she told The Sun. Local councillor Richard Leeming also said, the idea sounds interesting, and I hope everyone in attendance has a fun evening. Dulwich has a long history of innovation, and I hope that they seem to have thought hard about making it safe. I hope everybody has a good time, he said. Local resident Marzi Bennett said it sounds a bit rubbish. A fake bonfire is pretty joyless. If we are just going to watch a flame on a television screen, then it's a bit rubbish, and we may as well do that at home. So if you are liking my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.